Hey y'all, this is your girl Cherokee Williams and welcome to my video. If you already haven't, make sure you follow my social media in the comment box below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Ow! What's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to have y'all today because if y'all follow me on any of my social media, y'all know what today is. I've been talking about it. I've been ranting about it. I've been calling my grandma. I've been calling my mama about it. Like, today is my reveal of that Amber Rose Slutbox. I didn't open it. I didn't touch it. So what I see the first time is what y'all going to see the first time too. So I'm ready to open it. This is how it looks. Came shipped like this. Really, really nice. It says, "Hey, I am here." And like I said, it came just like this. Basically taped, but I already cut the tape and stuff so I can easily open it. So y'all ready?
Like, duh.
Alright. Hold up. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. I love the details, y'all. Look at it. Look how nicely wrapped it is, y'all. And this is so colorful. It's really cute. I like this. So that's how it looks inside, y'all. And like I said, it's really, really nicely packaged. Like, whoever did the design is... Amber, you did a good job with this. Like, girl, this is cute. So, like I said, just got the sticker. Y'all ready? Ooh, y'all, I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid on Christmas, y'all. Oh, I hit my eye. Y'all. That's how it looks inside. Oh, this is cute. So it got her face. I think this is a book. Is this a book? I'm gonna sit this down, y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out, and like I said, this is really, really nicely wrapped inside, y'all. This is how it looks inside. She really, really did. Oops, I dropped something. Hold on, y'all. I dropped something. Oops. That's gonna go right there because we ain't ready for that. So the first thing, it looks like a little book. Slutbox by Amber Rose. Stay slutty. And basically, what is it? Pamphlet. I guess maybe it's talking about the stuff that's inside the box. It looks like a little catalog. So this is like a little catalog. So okay, that's cute. I'm gonna get into that a little later, though. Then the second thing is Defensive Diva Self-Defense Products with Style Discount Card. Now go have some fun spending it. So this is a defense credit card. I guess for whatever website this is. I never heard of the website, y'all. So if somebody heard of it, you know, comment. Let me know what the website is about. The second one is Dear Body Magazine. Oh, okay. I need to figure out how I can get on this magazine. This is nice. So that's the Dear Body Magazine. I never heard of this magazine, so this is a first. And I'm surprised I never heard of it because it's like a plus size magazine. And I'm usually onto it, but I never heard of it. So this is new. This is, you know, opening my eyes to a different, you know, brand. What is this? Okay, this is Slutty Slut. $2 off every regular price pair. I guess, oh, this, okay, these are pastries, I guess, for your boobs. Oh, now y'all know, you know I love to, you know, spice up, you know, my boob work, you know. Oh, okay, I was going to say, so where's the, okay. So these are the pasties, and it says, it's shaped as a heart, and it says slut. I don't know where I'm going to wear this to, but I'm going to have to figure it out. This is so freaking cute. I like this. It's really, really different. I don't know what I'm wearing this to, but I'm going to figure it out. But, yes, okay. Oh, hold up. I see a shirt. Hold up. Wait a minute. Ah. Okay. a Fashion Nova shirt. Oh, look at this. Oh. It says, I am a slut of the people, for the people, by the people. Slutbox. Okay, Amber Rose. Oh. And that's the back. Basically advertising her Slutbox. Slutbox by Amber Rose, Fashion Nova. Okay. Hold on, I'm put this on like this. Yes. Okay, so what's the next one? This is Daily Intimate Wash. Gentle and pH balanced formula develop. Okay, Swedish Intimate Skincare. Okay. So this is like a body wash. I'm trying, show off my shirt to you. But this going home. It's hard to hold down. So this is the body wash. Or should I say a daily intimate wash. And this size is a 6.7 ounce, 6.7 ounce. So that's basically a full size bottle. So okay, Amber. Ooh, hold on. I see Donald Trump in here. Ugh. And this one says, excuse my language, y'all, but fuck Trump. And it's a lip slut. Matte lip. Okay. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Amber Rose is going to get it. Look at that. This is really cute. This is so gay. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this is I guess I would say a nudish pink. Of course. I have lipstick on, y'all, so I'm not going to apply, but I will show you how it looks on my skin. Oh, snap. Hold up, Amber. I like this on my skin. Look at that. Look like it's going to be really, really cute with a nice little lip liner. That looks cute. And again, that's how the outside looks. That's really, really cute. Okay. And this is, this is a slip. I never heard lip slut. I guess she's, coming out with her own lip gloss. Okay, Amber, I see you, girl. You're doing your thing. Okay, the next thing is, what is this? Coffee flavor. What is this? Arousal gel. Okay, so this is a on arousal gel. Okay, so this is, like I said, arousal gel. Hold up. So that is that for that one. Okay, so this is called Luxury Hacks. I hope I'm saying that right. The condom re-engineered. I'm kind of, I think I'm gonna open this, y'all. I think I'm really gonna open this. Hold up. I think I'm gonna open this. I don't know what this is, but I'm kind of curious to use it too, cause it's like, what is this? Hold up. Okay. Oh, okay. So, like she said, they are re-engineered latex condom. What the heck is a re-engineered latex condom? Okay, Amber. Okay, freak a leak. Okay, we see. Okay, the next thing is Lilo Personal Moisturizer Water-Based Formula. What is this? Okay, hold up. Apply desired amount to the external general area. Reapply as often as... Okay, so, what the frick is it? Okay, so it's a moisturizer for your VV, I guess? I don't know. I gotta look up this, okay? Because some of the stuff I'm just learning, so I'm like, okay, hold up. This is like, it's kind of hard to open. Oh, my freaking name. Hold up, y'all, because I don't think I was going to open up anything. How it looks outside the base. Outside the box. Apply some more. Oh my God. Hold up, y'all. And then, y'all, I got long nails, so this is a struggle right here. Amber Rose know that us sluts got long nails. Like, you know, boo. You can't be doing all this, boo. Like, I cannot get nothing opening day, y'all. And I want to show y'all how it looks like on. Hold up, God. Okay. Hold on, we're going to get back to that, y'all. Okay, so we're going to get back to that in a few seconds. Okay, so the next thing in her box is called Bone
Banana Pudding Lip Treatment, y'all.
Oh, it smells like a banana split. I like this. This is nice.
Again, y'all, I don't know what's going on with my sound, but this product is called Lipo Lotion.
To diminish dimples and tone skin. Okay. And it's a 5 ounce. Okay. I'm really gonna use this. Okay, girl. Okay. Let me see what you're working with. You trying to show off on your first box. Okay. Then the next thing is moisturizing skin cream. Okay, moisturizing skin cream is by Yobi. Let's see. Oh God, not this again. The struggle is real, y'all, today. Like, y'all see how long my nails is. Like, the struggle is real. I don't know why I didn't bring scissors over here. I don't know why I didn't think I had to open nothing today. Oh, this is actually really thick, y'all. This is like really, really thick. Hold up, what is this? This is skin cream, but you know what it smells like? That stuff, you know how you get cold and you put it on your chest, vapor, what the heck is called? And it smells like a strong mint. Or like this is like, yeah, it smells like, I don't know how to describe it, like a strong mint. It's that vapor cream you put on your chest, you know, to open up your nose. That's how this right here smells. It smells just like it, y'all. This is something I might put on my hands to like go to bed with. But I would never wear this out in public. It has a very strong smell. So I'm not a big fan of that. And then I'm going to show you how the inside of the box look, y'all. That's how basically it came inside of the box. But like I said, presentation, y'all, is like a 10. Like, she really, really did a really good job on her slut boxes. This is really, really nice. And I think, personally, I might subscribe for a couple more months because I want to see how long it rolls. So if y'all like this, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Comment if y'all have any questions or y'all want me to show y'all something, like an additional something in this box. You know, let me know. But yeah, I think I'm going to subscribe to another month to show y'all how next month going to look because I kind of like this box. You know, I think I paid $26 for it. And it's pretty much worth $26. She did a really good job on her box. I'm still sitting over here trying to get this personal moisturizer open, y'all. I cannot get it open right now. So I might just have to show y'all next time with this one. Oh, wait. Oh, yes, I got it open. Here y'all go, y'all. Okay, so it's basically clear. I hope y'all can see it. And it felt like I think it's just a lube for your man's PP or your VV. I don't know what the frick it is, but cause I never. Let me read the back, cause I never actually used something like this, so I don't know what it is. Okay, so it says a water-based formula to nourish and moisturize your intimate areas. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's to give some shine to your VV or your PP. Okay, so that's different. I'm looking forward to trying that out. The only thing I don't like, y'all, that I'm feeling is sticky. This is sticky, so I don't know how it's gonna feel down there. Like your freaking thighs gonna be sticking together. Your man's PP or your girl's VV, they all gonna be stuck and hair gonna be stuck. I don't know about that because it's a sticky formula, so I don't know about that. But like I said, that's basically it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, any comments, any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment box below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also follow my social media accounts. I have a Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. So, holla. So, like I said, this is the Amber Rose Slutbox. This is her first box she ever sent out. Let me basically run through it. I got my tablet on me, y'all, today. So like I said, this is her subscription box. She basically, inside the box, it says it has 5 to 7 plus slut quality items worth $100. Beauty, sex, positivity, fashion, and more. Interview guides, inspo, and more. And charity and giving partnerships. So this is how our website's set up, y'all, by the way. I think it's so cute. Her first month, y'all, if you just want to do like 1 month and you want to see how y'all like it, it's $29.99. And this is not a balling on a budget video. This is, I guess you could say balling on a budget. But this is when you got a little bit more money, to splurge. You know what I mean? This is like, I got a little bit extra money I saved on the side and I want to treat myself. That type of video today, y'all. But like I said, the first month, if you just want to do 1 month, is $29.99, free shipping. That's monthly. Then her most popular one is $28.99, free shipping, and you get 3 months for $28.99. Then 6 months is $28.33.
Hey, yo, I had confused myself a little bit, but I wanted to go over it. The way her thing is set up is it renews every certain amount of months. The monthly one is $29.99. Every 3 months is $28.99. Every 6 months is $28.33, and every 12 months is $26.99. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and that will be all for today, y'all. Love y'all.